I hope all are doing good. In previous classes, we learned up to capital letter Y and small letter Y. Before going to start the class, let's pause the video.
Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zip. Z is for zero. Z is for zoom. Z is for zoo. Z is for Zumba.
Now you got to know which letter we are going to learn now?
Right. It's letter Z.
See children, what is this? It's a honeybee. We can call it as a bee also. Okay. How bee will make the sound? Zzz. Right. Now I will say one rhyme. Sing along with me. Okay. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Like this. Come on, one more time. Did you never hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Zzz.
Is the sound of letter Z. What is the sound of letter Z? Z. Right. Let's do word chant. What is this letter? Z. Z.
Right. Zip, zip, zzz, dip. Jew, Jew, zzz, Jew. Zero, zero, zzz, zero. Zigzag, zigzag, zzz, zigzag. Zebra, zebra, zzz, zebra.
These all objects start with letter Z. Now I will show how to write capital letter Z and small letter Z. For capital letter Z, first you have to write sleeping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. This is capital letter Z. Now for small letter Z, sleeping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. This is small letter Z. Now I will show how to write in 4 lines. First you have to write sleeping line on the red line. Then you have to write slanting line. Then one more sleeping line. This is capital letter Z. Capital letter Z you have to write in up 3 lines only. Sleeping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. Capital letter Z. Now I will show how to write small letter Z. Small letter Z, how to write in middle 2 lines only. Sleeping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. Sleeping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. Small letter Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, one more sleeping line. Now I will show how to make capital letter Z and small letter Z with cardboard pieces. For capital letter Z, you have to take long strips and then you have to keep like this. And for small letter Z, you have to take small strips. Capital letter Z and small letter Z. I will show one small activity. For this we need one black paper and white paper strips. You have to paste it like this for zebra crossing. Whenever you have to cross the road on zebra crossing only. Now I will show how to write in your books. See here. Whenever you are writing in your books, see, you have to trace this pattern first. Slipping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. See, one more time I am tracing here. Sleeping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. You have to write up 3 lines only. Don't touch this down red line. Now I will show how to write small letter Z. You have to write in middle 2 lines only. First you have to write sleeping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. See, small letter Z. Sleeping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. Sleeping line, slanting line and one more sleeping line. See here. Here so many objects are there. You have to circle the correct beginning letter for each picture. See, what is the first picture here? Umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. What is the first letter for umbrella? U. You have to circle letter U. Then was. 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 What is the first letter for was? V. You have to circle here letter V. You have to circle like this. Remaining all pictures also first letter. You have to circle first letter for this all pictures. Bye children. Have a good day. Bye bye.